Can candles dirty my heating, ventilation, and air conditioning filter faster? Yes, candles can make your filter get dirty faster because they release tiny soot and wax particles into the air. When a candle burns, it does not turn into only clean light and heat. It can also make very tiny black particles called soot, and those particles float around your home. Your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system pulls air through the rooms, so it can also pull those tiny particles into the filter. If you burn candles often, especially scented ones, the filter may trap more gunk than usual. Candles with long, flickering flames or ones that are trimmed badly often make more soot. Dark smoke near the flame is a sign the candle is making more particles than it should. Something many people do not realize is that even clean-looking candles can still add invisible residue to the air and to surfaces. A simple habit that helps is trimming the wick to about 1/4 inch and avoiding drafty spots where the flame dances. A common mistake is thinking only a dirty house makes a dirty filter, when candle soot can be a big part of it too. A good tip is to use candles less often or choose high-quality, low-soot candles. Another thing to watch is burning candles for a long time in a closed room, because the particles build up faster and the filter has more to catch. A helpful fix is to run an air cleaner or open a window a little while burning them. People also forget that a clogged filter can hurt airflow and make the system work harder. Check the filter more often if you burn candles regularly, especially if you notice black marks near vents or on walls. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.